Guys, welcome back to today's video. We decided to do this one a little different. It is a crockpot cooking video voiceover style. So let's get into it and I hope you guys enjoy. So first off, I started by spraying my crockpot with my avocado spray. If you've watched any of our cooking videos we've done before, you know that I love to do this because it just helps the cleanup process so everything doesn't stick to my crockpot. All right, then we got this sweet apple chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. We really like these sausages from Trader Joe's because they don't have casing on them and they're just really delicious. So if you have a Trader Joe's, yeah, check them out. We really enjoy them. They're really, really good. All right, and then I did go in with some roasted sweet potatoes. I just got these at Target. They're the Good and Gather brand. These are frozen. It's just frozen sweet potato. There's nothing in them, they're not seasoned or anything. So yeah, just plain sweet potato. But we really enjoy these and they're nice to pair with meat and stuff. I did season them because like I said, there's nothing on them. So I just went in with some simple salt, pepper, and garlic. Just to give it a little flavor. Because they were apple sausage, that also kind of that flavor cooked in with the potatoes. So I didn't want to do flavors that might like contradict that flavor. So yeah, they turned out really, really good. As you'll see, I did go a little heavier on the garlic because as I've mentioned, I love garlic. It's so, so good. All right. And then I popped my lid on. I did go ahead and just let this simmer on low all day because I started this earlier in the day and these sausages are pre-cooked, so they are not raw. All right, and then as you'll see here, I did go ahead and take my lid back off before it had gotten too far in the cooking process. And I just sprayed the top of those potatoes because I figured they needed some moisture because they are so frozen. And I just didn't really put anything in there. So that avocado spray oil did really help everything cook very nicely. All right, so next up, I did go ahead and make some of our quinoa kale rice blend to put under everything. So again, I'm using my very trusted avocado oil spray. We use the Seeds of Change. We get this at Costco, but I believe Target and Publix also sells it. It's really good. So the one we get is quinoa, I believe chia and kale, and it's really, really good. We really like it. All right, so as you'll see, that simmered very nicely. Look how good that looks, you guys. It was so good. So we first put our sweet potatoes. So what I did is pulled all my sausage out so I could split the potatoes. And then we topped it with just rib rack barbecue sauce. Believe me, with those sweet flavors, the barbecue sauce is perfect and it tastes so, so good. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you make this recipe or something like it, let us know below in the comments. And with all of that being said, remember, you can call us the Kents. By the way, here we are tasting it, and it was really, really good.